This is my new faux ostrich feather light from Light Accents, and I am obsessed with it.
I love unique, kitschy pieces, and I really wanted something that was artistic and had a striking combination of a sleek base, but with a faux feather shade, and this light is exactly what I needed. I love that the cord is translucent, so it blends in and doesn't stand out, which is what you want in a cord. And check this out. It has this really cool feature where you can operate it on and off with the press of your foot. What I love about fixtures from Light Accents is the durability and aesthetic appeal of their lamps, and this is no exception. The stainless steel lamp base is super sturdy, and I love the sleekness of the stainless steel. The shade, though, it's the real showstopper. It's this beautiful white faux ostrich with really plump feathers that don't come out and make a mess. It's also super easy to assemble. What I'm doing here is unscrewing the light bulb to show you how easy it is to remove. Not only is assembly easy, but it's very versatile. You can use pretty much any type of bulb that you would like, and because of its design in the feather shade, it creates a soft, warm glow when the lamp is turned on, which will cast an inviting and intimate light that's perfect for cozy evenings. And if you're worried about safety, don't worry about it. This lamp has safety features like the sturdy base, which has overheating protection, which is important if you're using a feather shade like this. The lamp is also energy efficient and made of sustainable materials. As a floor lamp, I found the size to be absolutely perfect. I've had some that are too tall, some that are too short, but this one is just right. I love it.